There are 4 different stages to arrive at the final script: subject, step outline, treatment, screenplay. At the base of everything is the idea. The film cannot come into being without an idea. It is important to do something very original so that the audience will come into play and connect with the story. After having found an idea, we can draw up a subject. The plot and all elements of the film will appear in the subject. The subject is the starting point for our story because it contains fundamental elements: opening, plot, end. These moments are organized as conflict, development, resolution. The step outline is the following phase. The scriptwriter begins to schematize the plot, point by point, summarizing the most important moments of the story. It is a sort of guide that contains a detailed plot of the whole script. It is the map of the whole film. After composing the step outline, the next step is the treatment. It can be defined as a detailed description of the film's action, where some parts of dialogue appear and characters begin to take shape. Treatment is the phase where film writing is most similar to the novel. Every situation is described in great detail, characters begin to live, settings are defined precisely. At this point the story has a base and a structure. Only one thing remains to be done: describe it in terms of scenes and sequences. In other words, write the screenplay. A script is made up of scenes. The general outline of a scene is a description of the setting, a description of characters, a description of action. There are many ways to write a screenplay. Usually a screenplay is divided into 2 parts: descriptions and dialogues. Every description is full page and very detailed. It contains abbreviations that specify the camera's movements and tell us what is going to happen in the scene. The dialogues are outlined in the central part of the page. A list of suggestions to write a good screenplay would be the following: use brief paragraphs, use active verbs, adopt the present tense, avoid compound tenses, use simple words and reduce the use of adjectives, follow a simple outline.